Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this US Mag and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this bad boy out. This is the US Mag Indy and it's called the U101. So they come in a 15x7, -5, bolt pattern 501 14.3, 72.7 is the center bore, and this is the polish finish. Whenever you shop on our website, make sure to shop U101 157 06 537. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll pop this guy open. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And pull this bad boy out of the box. So check this guy out. And it's live in the flesh here. So out of the box here. And ta-da, here you go. This is the Indy U101 from US Mag. Looks like just a screw-on cap and a conical seat lug nut to go right on. I think on these old school trucks, I don't think you'll need a TPMS, but it is adaptable. Full polished, nice looking wheel. I think it's 72 on the back side, so hub 72, and it's a great looking wheel. 15x7. Let me give you the lip size, so guys, you want to know. On the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, you're at 1 inch. So this is a 15.7. And then let me give you the wheel weight. So the wheel weight on this wheel, let's check it out. And I'll weigh it here for you. On the 15x7 Indies, you're at 20 pounds. So if you guys are interested in this Indy or any others in US Mags, they have different sizes, different bolt patterns. I think this one does come in a blank finish, so we can drill whatever you want on it. Let us know, call us, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you guys.